How to fix blurry story on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then navigate to your settings. And here scroll down to the preferences section, and from there click on media. Now the first section that you will see, it says video quality. So you want to set this to be optimized. And as you can see, that this will adjust the videos to network condition, meaning that this option, when enabled, will use the maximum quality possible. However, keep in mind that if your internet connection is poor or bad, then your story quality will follow that and it will be kind of blurry. So this option will only optimize the quality depending on whatever connection you have. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix a blurry story on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.